In today's digital world, social media has become an essential tool for businesses and individuals alike. It can help you connect with new customers, build relationships with existing ones, and drive traffic to your website. But with so many different platforms and strategies, it can be difficult to know where to start. The first step to social media success is to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with social media? Do you want to increase brand awareness? Drive traffic to your website? Generate leads? Once you know your goals, you can start to develop a strategy to achieve them. There are dozens of different social media platforms out there, so it's important to choose the ones that are right for your business. Consider your target audience, your goals, and your resources when making your decision. Once you've chosen your platforms, it's time to start creating engaging content. This content should be relevant to your target audience, interesting and shareable. Use a variety of content formats, such as images, videos, and blog posts. Social media is a two-way street. It's not just about broadcasting your message, it's also about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and run contests and giveaways. The more engaged you are with your audience, the more likely they are to engage with you back. Once you've been implementing your social media strategy for a while, it's important to track your results and make adjustments as needed. Use social media analytics tools to track your progress and identify areas where you can improve.